In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can update Free Fire, so let's just get straight into it. Okay, so the first step is to go to the Play Store on your phone, and then what you want to do is in the search bar, just search for Free Fire and then hit search, and the game should pop up here. And if there is an update available, instead of saying play there, it's going to say update. And what you want to do is make sure that you click the update button. That'll just take a moment to download the update depending on your internet connection. And I recommend that you go onto a Wi-Fi connection when you make the update, because it can get quite big. But if for some reason you don't want to go in and manually update the Free Fire app every single time, what you can do is you can go back. Then when you're on the homepage of the Play Store, you can see your profile icon at the top right hand corner. Tap on that and then tap on settings near the bottom. From the settings page, you want to tap on network preferences, and here it says auto update apps in the middle. Tap on that, and here you want to select over Wi-Fi only, meaning when you're on a Wi-Fi connection, the Play Store is going to go ahead and update all your apps over the Wi-Fi connection. I don't recommend setting it to over any network because that can use up a lot of your data. So select over Wi-Fi only, then click on done. Then you're all set to go. You can go back into the Play Store and continue playing your games and that, knowing that they're going to be automatically updated. So that is how you update Free Fire. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.